DDD, stock analysis and price prediction. Is it a buy? Watch this short 1 minute video till the end to find out. First thing that I want to say is with 3D systems is that this thing is going up and I like it. I've gotten thousands of correct predictions over the last 4 years, spent thousands of courses and mentors and documented everything. And I'm genuinely still very open for more longs. How's this going to look like? Actually quite simple. Like, I'm going to get rid of the previous drawings, but now currently we're starting to see these breaks, which is phenomenal. By the way, I'm going to stick to something that I've tested thousands of times and everything's been documented. The way that I see this, risk coming down from this demand. If the price does pull down a tad bit, like doesn't even have to be exactly the retracement there, but if it does correct a little bit and the price gives me the rules, then nothing will stop me from taking this thing further higher. So yeah, stay tuned. And if you want to make more money trading in a simple and lean way, click the first link in the description. It's a free newsletter.